Okay, so this is sort of a common error that I saw on the assessment. Um, the first question about the elephant normal distribution empirical rule question said the mean was 3,500 and the standard deviation was 500, and so we move 500 out from each step. We have the empirical rule on this normal distribution here, and it says 34% of the data is here, 34 is here, 13.5 is here, 2.35, 0.15, etc. The first question a lot of people got right. What percent is between 3,500 and 4,500? And that would be this region of the graph, which is here. So a lot of people just added 34 and 13.5 and they got 47.5. So this is correct. So that's great. The thing that people struggled with was what percent of the data is below 3,000. That's the second part of the data. And so that's this region right here between 3,000 and below. And so a lot of people just kind of assumed that they could figure out whatever it took to get to 50 here, but that's not what the question was asking. The question was asking about this region over here. And so that means we have to take these three numbers and add them together. So 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15 equals 16%. And so 16% of the data is what we would expect to find be below 3,000. So from here over should be about 16% of the data. The next question said, well, how many elephants should we see that are in that category? We have a total of 45,000 Asian elephants in the world, and then we just have to take 16% of that. A lot of people did this calculation correctly, just with the wrong percent because they got part B wrong. So part C would be 0.16 times 45,000, and that is 7,200 elephants. Okay, so this is part B, this is part A, and this is part C.